Know yourself, excel in life, emphasizes that understanding your personality is the key to unlocking your true potential. With 75% of Fortune 500 companies using personality assessments, self-awareness is proven to be a powerful driver of success. Building this awareness lays the foundation for excellence in both personal and professional life. Personality types are frameworks that help us understand human behavior and differences. The Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI, identifies 16 distinct personality types. Classic 4-type systems simplify this into 4 main categories. These models reveal how personality influences the way people think, act, and interact. Ultimately, personality shapes our decisions, relationships, and work styles. Personality types describe common patterns in how people think, act, and interact. The driver type is fast-paced, independent, and focused on achieving results. The expressive type is energetic, creative, and thrives on sharing ideas with enthusiasm. The amiable type values harmony, stability, and strong personal relationships. The analytical type is careful, detail-oriented, and approaches decisions with logic and thorough analysis. Drivers excel at making quick, confident decisions even in uncertain situations. They demonstrate strong leadership by setting clear goals and motivating others toward results. Their fast-paced nature allows them to perform well under pressure and tight deadlines. They are highly outcome-focused, often pushing for excellence in challenging environments. Many successful startup founders display these driver strengths. Drivers' impatience can cause them to rush decisions without considering all details. They often struggle with delegation, finding it hard to trust others or fully value input. Their focus on control may limit collaboration and shared responsibility. Their intensity and relentless pace can create tension within teams. Over time, these traits increase their risk of burnout and conflict. Expressives shine in generating creative and innovative ideas that inspire others. They are strong communicators who share their vision with passion and enthusiasm. Their energy often motivates and uplifts teams. They adapt quickly to change, turning challenges into opportunities. These qualities make expressives well suited for roles like marketing, entertainment, and innovation. Expressives often struggle with follow-through, as their enthusiasm for new ideas can overshadow completing existing projects. They are easily distracted, frequently pursuing multiple opportunities at once. This tendency can lead to overcommitment and stretched resources. When implementation gets tough, they may lose focus or abandon projects. As a result, their big ideas sometimes remain unfinished. Amiables excel at teamwork, building strong and trusting relationships. They are exceptional listeners who make others feel heard and valued. Their loyalty helps maintain harmony and stability within groups. Analyticals, on the other hand, are careful planners who anticipate challenges in advance. They are reliable problem solvers who ensure high-quality outcomes through precision and thoroughness. Amiables often struggle with avoiding conflict, even when it is necessary to speak up, and may resist changes that disrupt familiar routines. They can also find it difficult to make decisions that are unpopular but required. Analyticals tend to overthink, which can delay important decisions. Their focus on perfectionism can prevent them from completing tasks on time. Additionally, they may hesitate to act unless they have all the information, slowing progress. Know yourself, leverage strengths, address weaknesses, emphasizes the power of self-awareness in personal and professional development. It encourages using reflection, feedback, and personality assessments to understand natural tendencies. Strategic planning involves setting goals that align with strengths while collaborating with people whose strengths complement your weaknesses. Continuous growth comes from working with your natural wiring while intentionally improving weaker skills. Embracing your personality type can ultimately enhance productivity and accelerate career advancement. If you found value in the information I shared, please like and subscribe, and join me in the next video.